Hey guys, Tepcocyclerepair. Today I'm working on a Stihl backpack blower. Now this is a BR340. Pull start was messed up, so I replaced it with another one. But it was dropped off because it wasn't running, and then the pull start went bad. One of the spring broke inside there. So replaced the pull start, still doesn't start. So let me show you what I found. All right, so here it is with the new starter on there. So the first thing, like I always tell you guys to do, is dump the fuel out. And look what we found. Water. Look at that water in there. Can you see that? That is a ton of water in there. That whole bottom part that's uncolored is water. So I got to continue to get all that out of there, put all fresh fuel in there, dry it out, and then we'll see if it starts. So right now we got a new plug in it. Air filter's clean. So we're going to put fresh fuel in there, and it's got the new pull start, and then we'll see what it does. But you got to get everything out of there. And you can see the water here that it spilled, how it beads up on top. All right, that's all water in there. We got to get that out. All right, so I got all the old fuel out of there and put new stuff in there. Put some of my magic mix in there. That's ethanol free and Amsoil Sabre mixed at 50-1. And now we got, there's probably still going to be some water in the carburetor. It's going to take a couple pulls to get it started, I'm sure, but let's see what happens. I got the throttle wide open. Choke's on. Still going to have that water in the lines and in the carburetor. Alright, so let's open this up, put some starter fluid in it, see if we can get it going and get that new fuel into the carburetor. Plug's wet. Full throttle choke off, just trying to get everything out of there. Clear out. Okay, guys, so it runs good. That's it. I didn't use starter fluid. I just took the plug out and pulled it a bunch of times. And you saw the mist coming out of there when I was pulling it. Got it all blown out for a little while, put the plug back in, and it fired up. It was rough starting at first, and then it started. So the previous owner messed with the adjustment screws. I have to adjust that a little bit more to get it more crisp. But it's running again. We're good to go. So, you know, you got to check the basics. And the first thing I do, I always tell you guys, dump the fuel. Never trust the fuel that someone brings in a machine, no matter if they say they just put it in or not. Always drain it. In this case, we got a lot of water out of there. After getting the water out and putting some fresh fuel in there, she starts up and runs. So I'm going to go ahead and adjust that carburetor, get it running right, and use it, guys. Hopefully this video helps you out. Please hit the like button, subscribe, hit that bell for further notification. Check the basics, guys. Until next time, Tepcocyclerepair.
Mm-hmm.